Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start immediately. Restart the device to clear stuck processes and cache tasks that often cause delay. While it reboots, remove or realign any screen protector and wipe the glass with a microfiber cloth so sensors get accurate input. Once powered back on, open settings and force stop or disable obvious background apps consuming CPU or touch services. This reduces input latency. These steps fix most simple delays because they remove software congestion and restore sensor contact with the display. Next, calibrate and tune system behavior. You'll enable developer options, enable pointer location briefly to watch touch responsiveness, and then disable it. This reveals problematic system lag. Make sure touch sensitivity or glove mode is set appropriately. Too high can create false positives. Too low delays response. Reduce or turn off animation scales to 0. 5x or off to shorten perceived delays. Once done, test taps and swipes in multiple apps to confirm smoother input and identify remaining trouble spots. To finish, install any available system or firmware updates because manufacturers release touch driver fixes that resolve lag. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to determine whether third-party apps are the cause. If touch is smooth in safe mode, uninstall recent or suspicious apps. Back up your data and consider a factory reset only as a last resort. This clears deep software corruption. If the problem remains after reset, one key troubleshooting tip: test with a known good screen or consult hardware service, likely digitizer failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.